Hang on a minute. We need to make this Galaxy Fold review video a little differently. See, I have a lot to say about this $1,980 folding phone tablet thing because I think there are a lot of interesting possibilities, and it is legitimately amazing to have a screen that can fold nearly in half. But then we started to review this phone, and then you may have heard about it. So as you can see, the screen on our Galaxy Fold is broken. I've got a line here and a line here, and here's what happened. Right about here under the screen last night, I noticed that I could feel a little bump under the screen when it was completely open. And when it wasn't completely open, I didn't feel the bump at all. And last night, it wasn't causing any problems. It was flexing the screen on a little bit. I called it like a bulge. But when I woke up this morning, opened the phone up, it had caused apparently a little bit more damage, and so it's ruined the screen. Yeah, so there are two different issues here. The first is that on the front of the screen, there's this thing that looks like a removable screen protector, but it is not removable. Instead, it's this layer that's applied with some serious adhesive, and it's basically part of the screen. If you try to pull it off, which, to be clear, seems like a totally reasonable thing to do given how it looks, you will end up wrecking the hell out of this phone. But that's not what happened to me. As near as I can tell, something got stuck in between the screen and the hinge on my first review unit. I still don't know what it was, but I do know that it broke the screen. So Samsung replaced my unit, and it gave a statement about the issue. It said, quote, "We will thoroughly inspect these units." In other words, there's no answers yet, which means you can't trust this phone. I don't trust this phone. But Samsung also said that it is full steam ahead for the launch of this phone on April 26th. So what the heck are we supposed to do now? Well, we're going to review the Galaxy Fold, but we're going to do it as if it were a device that doesn't seem to have this critical, fundamental design flaw that could break the screen.